What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode. We're just leaving work. Just sitting here talking to Trippy. Gotta go wash the bike, so let's go to the car wash. Let's go this way. Hopefully she don't freeze on me because it's minus like 6 out or something. Maybe minus 4, I don't know. Feels like it's warming up a bit, but it was minus 6 when I went out. Oh. Got so many layers on, I'm all stiff. Let's get her. Gotta hit the car wash. Which street should we take? We're not taking downtown. Downtown's too slow. Maybe we'll take this street here. Oh, I should have took the next street. You know what? There's no cars behind me. We'll go that way. We'll take this one. What street is this? I don't even know. Oh, the street with the big hill. You get to stop on. Come on. There's a yellow light. You should be stopping. Thank you. Come again. Oh, there's some snow. Oh, that's water. Oh, it's cold. Yep, I don't know. We're going to get stopped on the hill. The steep hill. Not so bad going this way. Oh, it's not bad at all if you know how to take off on a hill. You just gotta start letting your clutch out a tiny bit with the back brake on, then let the back brake off. That's how they teach you in the old YouTube videos anyways. Seems to work. You guys let me know your technique taking off hills. I just gotta start letting the clutch out, a little bit of gas. As soon as she starts wanting to go, let that back brake off. Back in the day, guys, me and Trippy used to come down this hill right here on the e-bikes, right onto the road. That was a good time. Oh, I feel like I didn't do my coat up all the way. Getting a little breezy. Woo! Got a little slippery, but it is not that warm out. Jesus Christ. T-shirt. Oh, I can't wait till summer, guys. Even spring. Just get the snow gone, get some heat out. At least sweater weather. I like that. My signals are working. They're not frozen like earlier today. Brakes are working. They're not frozen. Not too sharp. Oh, go. Usually we can rip this corner. I just don't trust the pavement right now. Yeehaw! Your little rip bomb. Oh yeah. Let's hit the car wash, Slippery, slippery, slippery. How's the entrance to the car wash? Probably pretty icy with all the wet cars coming out, I imagine, eh? Oh, they got one side closed? Enter at rear. How the fuck can I do that when it's closed? I should turn around, guys. Let's do that. Let's turn around in the car wash. run into the wall back there. The walls are literally completely ice. This might be a bad idea, but we're gonna send it. Almost fell. Driving on ice chunks. Hell yeah. Give her the old spray down of a lifetime, guys. Anyways, you know what, we'll just pick up after we clean her off because she's dirty. Okay, we'll see you in a second. Okay guys, last time you seen me, same video obviously, we were at the car wash and I washed the bike, but right after that my bike wouldn't start. I sat there for probably an hour trying to figure it out. I thought the kill switch was frozen, but all said and done, I actually had to come call my brother, get him to bring a trailer. Well, first actually, before we get there, he brought me a screwdriver. We took the ignition apart, or the kill switch, tried to see if it was frozen. Couldn't figure that out. So then he left to get a trailer. Oh, we missed that green light. He left to go get a trailer and had to trailer it back to my house, and I just was messing with it this morning. I posted a video on TikTok asking people what they thought, because people were coming up with some crazy answers like dead battery, kickstands out, neutral light wasn't on, but that's because I blew a fuse. I've ridden this bike for a while. I should know when it's in neutral or not. People were saying kickstand, but this bike will literally let you start it, put it in gear and everything with the kickstand down. Where most bikes, as soon as you pop it in gear, it'll stall. This will let you put it in gear, just won't let you take off. As soon as you go to let the clutch out, it stalls out with the kickstand down. But it turned out to be just a little 10 amp ignition fuse underneath the seat. So right now I'm going to buy some fuse. I stole the headlight fuse, the one that's for the headlight, and I put it in the ignition. Starts fine, started right up. So we're going to Canadian Tire to get a headlight or ignition fuse to replace the one I stole out of the headlight, and maybe a few extras. So we need a working headlight, that's for sure. Today it's like -4, feels like -6 or some shit. Not too bad at all. But yeah, I'm glad she's fixed, nice and easy. Ooh. Yeah, happy it was something easy, little 10 amp fuse. I wonder why it just decided to blow right there though. We're gonna have to always keep that kill switch on for sure. Use the key at all times, guys. Unless you need to use it, like something happens on the highway. Oh yeah, and it's funny too because I pulled into that car wash and I just happened to use the kill switch. Because I don't know why I used the kill switch, but because I was using the key all day. And then I flipped the kill switch and wouldn't start again. But anyways, y'all, that's that video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Don't use your kill switch in the cold. I don't know if that had anything to do, or maybe because I washed it. No idea, but we'll see you on the next one, y'all. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.